What's that?
I'm really sick about the bus.
I can't hear you. What?
I said I'm very sick about the bus.
Are you very sick about the bus? How come?
Because when I been on it too long, I got bus sick.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at Dad. How was the rest of the day?
Fine.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah? What'd you have for lunch?
I had a corn dog, some green beans, and some, Dad.
What?
Did you bring any strawberry chocolate milk home with us?
We did not bring any strawberry chocolate milk home with us.